Hello guys, welcome back to Silver Surgery TV. Today we're going to be making a very delicious dish. It's very healthy and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're very sorry for not letting you have more videos before. So let's get started. So as you can see, these are the ingredients. They're not as much. So first you have to add your carrots, your zucchini, and your eggplant. Then also add your oil just for a little bit of roastiness that we want, and so that it doesn't stick on the pan. While you're doing that, you can also add your potatoes. For your potatoes, it's important to add a little bit salt for the taste. As I said before, add your eggplant, add a little bit of onion, and then stir it all together. Then make sure it cooks a little bit and then add your salt, but don't make it too much. Add a little bit mangi, pepper, thyme, and curry. Then mix it all together and make sure it's even in all places. Now add a little bit of oil in a pot and add salt as well. This is a hack that my dad loves to use. Add your tomatoes that are already grinded. You can take the pre-grinded one and then add your purple beans. Stir them together. And once they cook, add your potatoes with the water, but make sure it's not too much. Once you finish mixing, add your grinded meat inside. Make sure it's raw. You can also add grinded meat that you have cooked already. It doesn't have to be raw, but in this case, if you want to follow this recipe, make sure it's raw. And then add your vegetables that you fried inside the pot. Now mix everything together, make sure the sauce gets everywhere and the vegetables are inside, so that they can cook and so that the sauce can get inside the vegetables as well. Keep on checking until it's ready and make sure that the meat you put inside is separated well and it's also cooking well, because we don't want it to be too overdone or too uncooked. So this is the finishing look. I can guarantee you, since I'm on a diet, it's very good for me and it's very delicious. Please try it at home. Once again, we're very sorry for not posting earlier. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.